Hi guys, a very good evening. It's me, Jeff Ignacio, the owner of this channel, Sukahati Pelanggan. Thank you so much for subscribing. For those who have yet to subscribe, what are you guys waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Alright, I have spare time tonight and I was browsing through YouTube, reading news and whatnot, and I had my dinner. It's full, it's mango, everything mango. I chilled it like for about 1 hour plus, so that was my dinner. Okay, so I am going to react to this chit chat with Michael Ang, episode 4, Siti Nordiana Pernah Hampir Give Up. So I was, like I said, I was browsing through YouTube, see what else I can do today, reading the news, check my KWSP, check whatever that is needed to be checked, and I have a spare time, so I'm going to react to this. 3, 2, go. Please bear with me, this is gonna be quite long because the video is 17 minutes and 49 seconds. Plus my bebelan can be 20 minutes maybe. So let's react. So is this Michael Ang's channel or Ang? Ah, that's Siti Nordiana. Wow, they are sedondon, the color matching. Earth color.
Assalamualaikum. Kita berjumpa sekali lagi dalam Cicak Michael Ang. Hari ini guys, I kena bersopan sikit
Michael.
sebab dia seorang wanita yang amat bersopan.
Yes, I have to admit now I've been reacting to her. She's so sopan.
And masa I kenal dia tu amat boleh kata kesian.
You know about sopan thing, right? I mean, I've been reacting to her since early of the month. And as much as her duet partner is like hoo hoo ha 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 ha, right? She does that timid girl and so sopan, shy, but her voice is gila.
Dengan dia sebab I tahu ada benda-benda yang berlaku sebelum dia bekerja dengan I, so macam sebenarnya kesian dengan dia, tapi dia tetap datang ke set dengan muka yang tabah, buat dia je. So to me, she's a very strong woman.
Yeah.
Inilah Siti Nordiana. Hi Siti.
Hi.
Thank you for coming.
No problem.
Nana, I nak tanya you kan.
I admire
kita semua tahu
Michael
tentang
Ang's
kehidupannya.
PM.
Ada satu masa you betul di atas.
Betul.
Kemudian you merundam teruk sampai kehilangan suami.
Ya.
Semua tu kan.
Oh
So
my goodness.
macam mana
That's sad to
you
hear.
kekalkan you punya iman dan juga ketabahan you untuk mempercayai yang satu hari rezeki tu akan datang balik?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That is a very good first question, seriously. Direct to the point.
Kan, I dah sampai satu tahap yang betul-betul give up sebenarnya. Pernah satu kali tu I give up juga. Sebab apa yang I buat semua tak jadi. Lagu baru ke apa semua tak menjadi.
There are
so
those
I rasa
moments,
I dah
you
tak
know.
ada hope dekat dalam industri ni.
Correct, there will be that moment where you tried your best, like everything you try to do, but there's not a single thing that you do menghasilkan sesuatu, you know. I've experienced that, seriously. Like giving up is like at the verge.
Itu yang I berniaga, I kerja.
She berniaga. Tell me what's her
tapi
business, yeah?
Dalam di jauh di lubuk sanubari I cakap I still ada hope tu. I nak juga.
Yes,
I nak
you
juga
are
buat.
right, you are right.
Walaupun I banyak kali kena reject apa semua kan.
Oh, that's
sampai
so
orang cakap
sad.
I dah tak relevan dalam industri.
Oh, seriously?
So I cakap okay, daripada aku ambil
Someone said that
kata-kata
to
orang
her?
tu untuk side
my
yang
God,
negatif,
that's so
dia akan buatkan
sakit
aku lagi
hati,
jatuh. So why not kita okay, tak apa, kita ambil kritikan tu, kita perbaiki diri sendiri.
You are right.
And then tu
Look
yang
at the
bila
bright side.
dapat peluang untuk Gegar Vaganza tu, sebenarnya itu dah last hope aku dah. Dah last hope dah. Aku cakap kali ni kalau tak okay juga, tak apalah, at least aku dah masuk TV, orang dah tahu
I'm filled with
Siti
emotion
Nordiana
now.
masih wujud, aku nak ada show, cukup lah. So tu niat aku tu je sebenarnya untuk masuk. Tak sangka pula dia punya pergi tu, alhamdulillah.
I want to know the Gegar Vaganza, right? Is this they have to apply, or the producer or the show manager, whoever in Gegar Vaganza will invite those senior artists? Please let me know because I do not know how they function.
Alhamdulillah lah, sambutan dia betul-betul.
Yes, you're amazing.
Mengapa tu?
This is the reason
macam
why I
semua
became
orang
a
dapat
fan.
terima I lah.
It's because of Gegar Vaganza you proved it.
Macam you go through all that yang you
No wonder she worked
boleh kata
really
seksa
hard.
juga
Yeah.
daripada seorang kalau tanya siapa-siapa lah yang pernah mengalami yang dapat semua apa you nak
Ya,
ada.
betul-betul.
Duduk 5 star, makan yang best-best.
Yes, yes.
Tiba sampai you jatuh macam tu.
Yeah.
You tetap bertabat. Sebenarnya soalan I, macam mana you boleh tetap bersabar tu? Macam
that's
you
very
kata you
important.
pernah
It's
hampir
good
give up,
to
tapi
know.
you
Yes,
tak give up. Macam mana you boleh bersabar sampai macam tu? Keimanan you, dan lagi pula you
Okay,
bertudung.
I got
Yeah.
teary eyes already.
Kan,
Betul,
dan lepas tu
betul.
kita semua tahu kat industri ni, sekali you dah bertudung dia, market value you dah half gone.
Is it?
So macam mana you hadapi itu semua? Adakah you
I
terfikir
thought bertudung is
ada
something
bertudung
very
balik dah sesuatu
personal.
je rezeki tu semua? Macam mana you hadapi itu?
Okey, sebenarnya apa-apa pun I back to basic balik. Apa-apa
back
pun
to basic.
I cakap I tak boleh nak mengharap kat manusia, bukan manusia yang bagi I rezeki.
Yes, you're right.
Yang bagi I rezeki adalah Allah.
Yes.
Jadi mungkin ada kekurangan dekat I. Masa tu I pun belum menutup aurat lagi. Masa I tengah down tu pun I memang tak menutup aurat lagi. So I cakap maybe ada something dekat diri I yang membuatkan rezeki I tersekat di situ. So I cakap okay. So I back to basic balik. I naikkan semangat I balik. I baca buku-buku motivasi.
I love her.
I
She
dengar
is
ceramah
such a
dekat
positive
YouTube.
lady.
Sebab kita ni
Instead
everyday
of
kita
thinking
kena
of the
sentiasa
negative,
ada ilmu.
focus on the negative.
Kalau kita tak
She
ada ilmu,
focus
so kita
on the
akan
positive.
terombang-ambing juga.
Maybe there's something
I
about
pernah
me,
banyak kali
she
jugalah
said,
macam
that
kena
is
reject
lacking.
juga sebab
So she
show
is back to
dekat
basic. Amazing.
mana kan.
Guys,
Kadang-kadang
listen
diorang
to
nak
this. This is
yang
a very good
free hair,
advice.
dan ada projek juga yang senang nak yang free hair lah. So free hair boleh buat macam-macam kan.
Yeah.
So I rasa okay, kalau macam tu itu bukan rezeki I. Tak apalah sebab I yakin Allah yang bagi rezeki.
So you
Yes,
redha
God
dengan
is,
apa rezeki yang Allah bagilah.
Betul.
giver.
Sebenarnya lepas I bertudung, lebih banyak I punya show daripada sebelum bertudung.
Ya,
okay.
macam bila you masuk dalam set
Alright.
untuk your first drama
Yes.
selepas Gegar Berganza.
Betul.
So it doesn't matter actually
Bila you masuk set,
sebenarnya.
I rasa you tahu banyak
Ya.
apa orang kata bila I ambil you sebagai heroin pun. Orang dah cakap Michael ni dah gila ke apa.
People
Kan?
say that.
And
That's
dan halfway
bad.
macam mana you dapat tahu cerita yang hero you sebenarnya
I tahu.
banyak aktor yang tak
betul lah,
nak
kan?
berlakon dengan you sebab bila dapat tahu yang you heroin cerita tu tak nak berlakon dengan you.
But
So, you tahu.
why? May I know
Apa you
why?
rasa sebenarnya?
What's
Sebenarnya
that?
bila to me
Crazy
sejujurnya
lah.
sebelum tu I belum lagi memeluk Islam. But to me
I salute Michael Ang for actually pushing forward even though people are talking bad behind her. Like, seriously, like, probably there's a lot of things that people sampaikan to Michael Ang to probably not take Siti Nordiana to act and whatnot. But for him, he's actually, for me, this is my belief that God is using him to open the doors for Siti Nordiana. And I'm glad that who is this? Michael Ang follow it, right? Probably sensed it and then helped her in a way that opens Siti Nordiana's door, you know? And I really applaud this Michael Ang. Very good job, sir.
bila orang tu cakap ada yang pelakon yang sanggup siapa yang kalau you dengar ni you rasa pedas lah tapi
Very good. Straight to the
jangan rasa
point.
apa
What?
it's just untuk
It's good to know
ajaran.
actually.
Okay, so to be
God.
bila I tahu
Feel like
dia kata
want to get
berlakon
angry
drama
lah.
dia kata siapa heroin I kata I nak Siti Nordiana dia kata Michael tukar lah kalau you tukar I berlakon lah so I was like
Oh!
orang tu baru nak naik kau nak
May I know why you don't want to act with her? I've watched her act few times and she is damn good. Any reason why you don't want to act with her? Crazy.
tutup period no
yeah.
I like kadang-kadang kalau
Salute
tak nak
you,
buat satu
Michael
benda
Ang.
bukan just
Very
not
good.
asking you to be hypocrite tapi
Very good.
tak payah tu
I like this
nak
guy.
tutup periuk nasi orang tu
Yeah,
to me,
yes,
I
yes.
feel.
Betul.
Don't tutup
Kadang-kadang
your periuk and nasi or
There's no
whatever.
harm you cuba membantu
Hmm?
menambahkan periuk nasi orang tu betul tak
Betul.
you know so to me so tapi soalan yang nak tanya you macam mana you rasa bila you dapat tahu benda tu semua
Oh, she knew.
Okay, kita manusia kan,
Oh,
mesti
my goodness,
akan
I
ada
feel
rasa
for her.
kecil hati jugalah. Kecil
Of
hati
course,
juga.
siapa
Sebab
tak
beritahu
kecil hati?
sampai hari ni pun tak beritahu kan
Dia tak bagi tahu siapa lah.
Ah,
Tapi
okay,
apa-apa pun siapa
alright.
yang pernah reject I dulu, benda tu macam
You guys
tak mendatangkan apa-apa
rugilah for
impact kat
rejecting
I pun
such
sebab,
a awesome
I rasa
lady.
rezeki I makin murah. Yang maksudnya yang reject tu macam I masuk Gegar Vaganza kan, orang pandang rendah kat I, cakap I orang
Yes.
kampung lah apa semua. Tapi
I
bila
think
I
even-
once I masuk, orang mula pandang I. Jadi
Yes.
macam tu juga
I
dalam
pun pandang
drama.
you. I offer you 4 minggu sebelum dia menang I ada offer
Sebelum
dia.
menang, sebelum menang. You offer I.
Ya.
Minggu keempat.
Salute to
Minggu
you,
keempat
sir.
I offer dia untuk sebagai heroin.
I cakap, serius lah. I heroin tua kot.
Tak apa, boleh. Masa tu I kata
Though
boleh.
you are
boleh.
like
Tapi sebenarnya
30s,
ada
you're
projek
still
apa
young,
dulu.
you
tak tahu lagi
look
kan?
young.
I cuma kata I just want you because terasa
Yeah.
macam
Yes,
you
yes,
boleh ni.
yes.
Okay.
She
Tapi
can. She's
macam
really
itulah.
good.
To me semua rezeki
Okay,
tu
I'm
datang dari
young.
Allah.
Betul.
Because to me pun masa kita buat semanis-manis pun kita tak akan rasa
Kita
pun
tak
dia akan jadi
expect.
sebesar tu.
Yes, I pun tak
Betul tak?
expect. Betul. Kadang
Yeah.
bila I masuk set dengan Alif kan, I cakap, alamak, macam mana aku nak get along dengan Alif ni? Lambat.
Ya, bukan tu je.
Lambat.
Masa first day shoot tu kan. I sampai,
Ah.
okay, dia tak boleh aku dia tak boleh. Shut down.
Oh my
kita,
God.
Kita cut, kita shut down.
Yes.
Kita shut down satu hari.
Ya
Then the
Allah.
next day baru kita continue shooting.
Yes, I ingat
Kan?
lagi you marah I. You tak marah I, you marah orang lain.
I marah orang lain dan sebenarnya marah you tu.
Tapi sebenarnya kalau I ambil you, benda yang you marah tu, I terus down, I rasa I takkan boleh jadi.
But you improve every
I
day.
try
You
Yes,
try.
yes. You
Tapi
have to give
macam I
people
kata
a
lah, semua
chance,
rezeki.
you
To me
know.
pun I believe yang bila I buat semanis-manis
You know, in life, you know, some people will like use people's past experience to judge people and to say things about people. But one thing they forgot that people change, people improve. So we don't make past assumption, past history to be, you know, your current measure. You always give people a chance to improve. But at the same time, you also have to take precautionary measures. Bukan bagi chance membabi buta, and if it had happened the same thing again, then you sendiri sakit hati. No, you have to take precautionary measures up to certain level. And I applaud Siti Nordiana and this Michael Ang for, I don't know, giving chances, you know. Giving chances.
pun I tak rasa yang dia boleh jadi sebesar tu sampai I dapat
pun.
rezeki lagi untuk buat
Alhamdulillah.
musical dekat Istana
InsyaAllah.
Budaya.
Betul.
Dan kita buat
Ah.
lagi 5 episode special dekat
That's
Bali.
so good to
Serious,
know.
I
I'm
tak
want
tak
to
sangka
watch
benda
this
tu boleh jadi
hadu.
sebesar tu lah.
Alhamdulillah.
So it's all the way tu ni terpulang kepada rezeki. Rezeki
Betul.
seseorang tu dah tertulis.
Yes.
Kan dah tertulis.
sama
But
ada
you have to
lambat
work
atau
hard
cepat.
for it as well.
Cuma kita harus bersabar dan terus
Yeah.
bertawakal dan terus buat usaha
Yes,
yang
do
sebaik
our
yang kita
part,
boleh.
you
Tapi
know.
tak
Correct.
berusaha pun tak guna.
Betul,
Betul.
betul,
Tak,
betul.
kita kena just terus berusaha dengan berusaha
You're right.
Yes.
untuk mencapai apa yang kita nak.
Jangan give up.
God
Ya,
will
jangan
help
give up.
those
Because
who
rezeki
help
tu ada kat mana-mana.
themselves.
Tak kisah orang tutup periuk nasi you jangan risau sangat. You cuba cari benda
Kalau
lain.
tutup
Betul.
Satu
periuk,
benda lain tu
you
mesti akan datang.
bukalah
Yes, I
nasi
setuju.
ayam ke
Betul,
nasi
memang.
goreng.
Itulah kuasa Allah kan.
Betul,
sikit.
kuasa Allah.
Okay, Nada. Ni personal sikit
Ah,
Semua tahu
personal.
you seorang ibu tunggal. Dah berapa tahun you ibu tunggal lah?
9.
9
That
tahun, kan?
is very
So, dalam masa
long,
9
9
tahun ni,
years.
Lagi bila you dah meletup macam ni, mesti orang asyik tanya you, bila you nak kahwin?
Betul.
Oh my God, no need lah.
Sebab I kadang-kadang sampai tak tahu nak jawab apa. Sebab I bukan tak nak kahwin. I memang nak kahwin. Cuma kahwin
So
ni
cute.
adalah satu ibadah yang paling lama you akan buat dengan
Yes, don't
pasangan
just
hidup
simply
you.
kahwin just
Jadi,
because somebody
untuk mencari pasangan
keep
hidup
on
yang
asking you,
sesuai
want to
dengan
shut
you,
them
yang
down. You have to
dia
kahwin
tengah
when
suka
you really
So you kena
know
pilih
that it's time
betul.
for you to kahwin.
Sebab I tak nak lah kahwin kali kedua, I gagal lagi kan. So kalau boleh kali kedua tu dia nak sampai ke jannah, insyaAllah.
I'm sure
But
itu
is
semua
she
orang
gagal?
nak, kan? Tapi sekarang pun banyak orang kata sekejap you dengan siapa Zoe Rahman, lepas tu dengan Kai, baru-baru ni dengan Kai.
Okay.
Sebelum Kai siapa?
Siapa lagi?
So many people.
Aku
Nakal
sekarang
lah.
ni ada 3 orang yang selalu gosip dengan aku.
Siapa?
Fikri,
Ah,
Zoe, itu je. 3 orang tu je.
So pada satu yang betul.
Tak ada satu yang betul. Setakat ni lah.
So, tapi
I really
sebenarnya tak
like
kisah
her
pun lah bila
honesty,
orang
and
tanya.
you know
Tak kisah,
she
tak
is
kisah.
honest.
Bila
Seriously,
orang kau orang
when
nak
people
tanya.
can respond
Tapi macam tu lah,
ASAP,
lagi
she's
you
honest.
ke
But
atas,
if you
cari pasangan hidup lagi susah sebab
then you will
lagi-lagi
know
faham,
that
you pernah melalui
they're
satu
hiding
detik
something.
yang hitam kan.
Betul, betul.
So sekarang bila you nak tu pun you akan tanya 2 kali, orang ni nak aku ni sebab aku famous ke, sebab
Yeah.
suka aku sebab
Kerana Allah.
atau suka aku dia sebab aku dah famous, aku ada
Betul.
kemewahan, benda tu semua.
Sebab susah juga sebab kita yelah, tapi macam ni kalau menurut I lah kan, kalau I nak cari jodoh, kalau macam I ada suka someone ke, kalau kita jatuh cinta dengan orang ke, I rasa daripada kita cakap dengan orang tu, baik kita cakap dekat Allah lah. Kita cakap
yeah,
kalau betul
surrender
jodoh
all to
kita,
God.
dekatkan ke, satukan, macam tu.
Tapi
bagi
you pun
I
kena
lah.
buat judgement you jugalah kan sebelum
Of
you tanya.
course lah.
You kena buat judgement, you kena filter dulu baru you tanya.
Kita tengoklah dulu perangai dia macam mana.
Kadang manusia ni susah babe. Perangai depan you baik gila. Tapi dia dah dapat apa dia nak.
It's normal.
Itu
Tu
pun
yang naik
susah juga.
keluar.
Aduh, itu payah juga tu. Tapi maybe kita boleh tanya orang kawan-kawan terdekat.
I just love the way she
Itulah.
Dia paling
respond.
important lah kan.
Setakat ni
I love the way she respond to questions. Number one, dia tidak menggelabah. Number two, she respond in all honesty. Number three, she is like, yalah, tidak menggelabah, so calm, and she use her own word. You know that she is a good communicator based on how she respond to you. She don't have that many apa soalan tadi macam mana tak faham lah. No, she didn't do that. She answer like as smooth as water, babe. Very good.
belum ada lagi.
Belum ada lagi.
And it
Tak
makes
apalah,
you
cuba
want
carikan
to
you.
listen to her more, you know.
Okay.
Dah senang you je lah.
I tak boleh.
Oh, you tak boleh. You tak boleh.
I tak rasa I boleh kahwin.
Alamak.
I rasa I tak boleh hidup dengan ada orang. I akan
Ah.
I jenis sejujurnya I jenis
Oh.
I dah tahu pasal I dengan orang because I dari kecil I memang hidup seorang.
Ah.
Because I kecil, I umur 10 tahun, family I dah hantar I pergi overseas. I duduk seorang.
Faham.
Ah.
So semenjak tu sampai lah sekarang I duduk seorang. So bila ada orang kat sebelah I, paling lama lah.
Ha.
Kalau duduk satu rumah kan paling lama seminggu. Lepas
Pasal
tu
saya?
out you go, I tak ada tengok muka you.
Oh,
You
yeah,
suka
it's
sendirian.
very, it's
I so ada biasa
It's people's
dengan
choice
hidup I
and,
sendiri
you know,
tu.
yeah.
So,
Yelah, yelah, yelah.
macam
We
susah
guys
accept
have to
orang. Kalau
respect-
kena-kena pun
we
nanti
have to
sikit
respect
I
this,
dalam
yeah.
bosan. I tak boleh.
We
Mungkin you
can't
perlukan
judge
orang yang
people.
Faham you kot.
Tak lah, I perlukan seorang anak je lah.
Okay.
Bukan seorang anak
Yeah,
yang
can
betul-betul
adopt,
kasih
right?
sayang dia
Single
sebab
can
kasih sayang
adopt.
dia kepada anak tu lain dengan kasih sayang
Betul.
kepada pasangan tau.
Betul,
Kasih
betul.
sayang kepada anak tu ialah like tak berbelah bagi and then jenis yang you
This
sayang
guy
dia
is
tanpa
very
meminta
straightforward.
apa-apa balasan.
Betul.
Which is
Tanpa
very
ada
good.
balasan.
Ah.
You just beri je.
You just beri
Ya,
je.
yes, yes.
Betul tak?
Betul,
Budak apa
betul.
dia tahu nak balas you balik.
Yes,
Paling banyak pun dia panggil you daddy, dia peluk
Ah.
you tu kan. Tapi lebih pada tu kadang menyakitkan hati you pun ada.
Normal
Tapi you
lah.
tak sayang kan?
Tell me
Betul
about
tak?
it.
Macam you seorang
I mean, I
budak,
don't have
I'm sure you
anak.
know.
I have
Yes,
5
of
cats
course.
at home.
It's very difficult.
Sangat.
Kan?
Sebab sekarang ni dia dah, abah dia dah tak ada. Jadi apa-apa hal semuanya akulah. Di bahu aku. Jadi Nana kena jadi seorang ibu yang
Aku.
menunjukkan contoh yang baik. Jadi bukan
Yes.
senang kita
It's not
nak
easy,
jaga
you know,
perangai
ibu
kita
tunggal. You
depan
are
dia
the mother,
sebab
you are the
kita
father,
adalah
you
role
are
model
the
dia.
Aku
everything.
very close dengan dia because saya tengok kadang
Salute
walaupun
you,
tengah
Siti
shoot,
Nurdiana.
Apa-apa you akan sanggup balik ke
Of course
ke
lah.
Seremban untuk
Yes.
teman dia.
Mesti
Dia lepas
lah.
You see, because of this Michael Ang's interview, you see a different sisi of Siti Nurdiana. And Michael Ang is very honest, jujur, of telling people that what happened behind the scene, because we only know them acting. But when he told us about her sanggup drive jauh to go and to meet the son and whatnot, it's proven something.
dia datang balik ke set.
Mestilah.
Kadang-kadang I fikir like, right, kenapa tak bawa je anak tu ke sini lah. Dia sekolah, lupa.
Lepas tu I terus pindah KL tu balik.
Ah.
I bawa dia sebab I tak boleh berjauhan lah.
Tak boleh jauh dengan dia.
Yeah, the
anak
one
kan,
and
anak.
only.
So,
Come
Tapi macam
on,
mana dia?
you're right.
Dia ada pressure tak?
Yeah.
Being a single, anak,
Single son.
anak kepada seorang ibu tunggal daripada kat sekolah, daripada bully ke apa ke.
This very important topic.
Okay. Cuma masa dia budak-budak dulu, dia ada tanya I lah, Mama kenapa semua orang ada bapak datang kalau macam ambil event ke apa ke, ada event
That is so sad to hear, you know.
Dia ada cakap lah masa dia tak faham lagi.
Oh, tapi sekarang dia dah faham.
Sekarang
lah.
dah faham dah, dia dah kisah dah.
Tapi anak you memang very quiet.
Very quiet you cakap. Dia segan. I cakap dah dekat set diam. Nanti mereka nak marah.
Of course, you have to show, you know, first impression is lasting impression.
Zaman kalau tengok zaman video-video dulu kat YouTube tu hot juga you ni.
Yeah, she is very pretty actually.
Arwah cik kan. Hot juga tu. Dan sampai kau bila you dah bertudung dan you tiba-tiba masuk industri balik you meletup.
Okay.
Okay, so
She
macam mana you
when Michael Ang uses the word you meletup, she just respond, okay. It's not like it's not like yes I am big. No, it's not. This is the thing about humble people like Siti Nurdiana, Siti Nurhaliza, who else? Jacqueline Victor, Dayang Nur Faiza. Because of their humbleness, makes them great and big in the industry. Very good.
jaga keimanan you tu untuk daripada godaan-godaan dunia di bila tiba-tiba you hot balik, mesti ada banyak. Tapi one thing I kena clear sini, I tahu. Mula-mula you offer I drama, I offer you drama, you dah cakap,
You offer.
pegang kena berlapis-lapis. Dia nak awal-awal dia buat I. So kita tak apa, we will deal with that. Kan? So
Correct.
tapi sekarang I'm curious to know macam mana you tentangi
godaan-godaan tu Okey, sejujurnya godaan-godaan
This is a very
yang
good
datang dekat
topic,
I
seriously.
bukannya kecil-kecil lah. Kadang-kadang menjadi seorang selebriti pakai tudung, jadi kita sentiasa orang pandang.
Yeah.
Jadi
People will always judge lah. I don't
godaan-godaan tu macam
understand.
contohnya macam kalau kita berlakon untuk jaga pergaulan lelaki dengan perempuan, and then nak jaga solat, nak ambil wuduk. Kadang I kena ambil wuduk dulu, make up kena tahan tak minum air untuk the next ni lah waktu kan. Benda tu kadang-kadang bila kita tengok ada juga kita tengok cantiknya dia pakai baju macam ni, tapi tak boleh aku tak boleh macam ni. So
I love this
shooting
honesty.
tengah panas pun kita
True.
pakai baju
There's a lot of
berlapis kan.
temptation
Tapi
lah.
itu sebenarnya kita punya ibadah kan, bila kita pakai tudung masa kita keluar
Guys,
rumah,
listen
kan,
to
itu
this,
adalah ibadah.
guys.
Tapi dia tak pernah mematah
She really
semangat you
knows
atau
her
tak
religion
bagi
really
seketik
well,
dia kata,
and she live by
"Alah,
it.
masih
But
tak
she
jelas."
is
Eh,
not
tak
somebody
boleh,
who will
babe.
judge
Tak,
others.
Sebab
She
bagi
knows
I,
she's doing it for the
pakai
Almighty.
tudung, menutup aurat itu adalah wajib. Itu kita tak
Itu
boleh.
memang wajib.
Memang
Memang
wajib.
wajib.
So macam bagi I tak ada choice untuk you buka tudung.
And to me also I
ya.
feel you dah ready and you dah boleh
I
terima
ready.
everything.
Okey, sebenarnya macam I rasa banyak artis-artis wanita yang bertudung pun akan cakap benda yang sama. Iman tu naik turun.
Yes.
Memang naik turun, tapi you kena macam subuhkan dia every day. At least setiap hari tu at least 1 hour you dengarlah ceramah YouTube. Dekat YouTube ke kalau you tak ada masa kan. Sebab bila you dengar you akan okey faham, maknanya aku pakai tudung ni rupanya bila aku keluar aku sentiasa dapat pahala sebab aku jaga hak Allah macam tu kan. Kita apa-apa pun Allah yang bantu kita sebenarnya. Kita minta pada Allah supaya dorongkan hati kita untuk buat benda-benda yang baik kan. So apa-apa hal kita dulukan Allah
Listen
dulu.
to her advice,
sebelum kita
guys.
dulukan benda-benda yang
And
lain.
for me,
And
it
I
applies to
sebelum kita buat
any
sesuatu,
religion. It
fikir dulu
doesn't.
tentang Allah,
It doesn't
fikir
matter.
tentang keluarga.
At the end of the day,
Akhir sekali,
God
fikir
is
tentang diri you sendiri.
Betul.
the main
Sebelum you buat sesuatu
one.
atau apa-apa keputusan yang you nak buat.
Sebab
Betul
saya
tak?
pernah dengar satu ceramah tu, dia cakap you sebenarnya buat apa-apa tu jangan manusia dulu. Allah dulu. Macam
True.
tu.
You're right.
So insyaAllah lah everything akan okey lah.
Ya, benda tu sebenarnya senang je.
Betul.
Bila kita nak buat satu
I have to agree with Siti Nordiana. I just want to share with you guys a bit about my religion. I think most of you know I am a Christian. This is one thing that we learned lah. I mean, in real Christianity, when you want to do something, don't do it for human, but do it for God, and He will ease everything. You know, once you do it for human, and when human mengecewakan you, you will be very devastated. But when you do it for God, God will not kecewakan you, because He is the owner of everything, and He is the one who will provide everything, and He will open the doors, He will shut the doors, and He is the one. When you do it for Him, so many doors will be open, provided you do it wholeheartedly. That's what I'm just sharing. Yeah, sorry, I just want to share because it's like relevant to the topic that you're currently discussing, which is very good.
benda kita tanya diri, Allah akan marah tak? Apa kita buat ni salah tak apa daripada ajaran yang kita nak buat? Itu je yang kita kena tanya.
Betul.
So daripada situ you buatlah keputusan.
Betul.
Betul tak?
Yes.
Ada Alhamdulillah kalau benda yang kau buat tu ikut ajaran
I admire Michael
benda tu akan
Angsbian.
jadi smooth.
Really
Walaupun
good.
tak berjaya ke apa,
Ya,
benda tu
tetap.
takkan seburuk yang boleh terjadi kalau you melanggari
Yes.
benda-benda tu.
Betul.
Itu je sebenarnya kan?
Betul.
Okay, Nana. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
coming. Thank you so much for sharing this with
Yeah,
us.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, kepada penonton sana, jangan lupa episod yang akan datang. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, that was chit chat with Michael Ang, and his tetamu jemputan is Siti Nordiana. Very uplifting message. How to say, you know, you guys heard about whatever she is saying, right? So yeah, it's very motivating. It's inspiring in a way. So I'm truly glad that I have the chance to listen to her.
and it is like normally 17-18 minutes of video. I think I will like press faster because certain part is boring, but with her from 0 seconds to 17 minutes plus nearly 18 minutes, nothing boring about her. She is being honest about herself, she's open, she tells you a thing, and yeah, same goes to I think we can always relate it back to our life, you know. So if you want to get inspiration, want to get motivation, want to get or want to learn something, please watch this video of Siti Nordiana and also Michael Ang, because they are truly good, and I salute Michael Ang for an amazing lineup of question. He's very open, and I know Michael Ang is a vocal person because I've watched his YouTube quite a number of times. And Siti Nordiana for answering vulnerable question, meaning to say, you know, that question probably will make people think ala macam tu, but she answered it well. She tells you her story, her side of a story. She tell you how demotivated she was. She tell you that she almost gave up in the industry, or luckily not in life, but what keeps her going is because of the Almighty. So guys, please watch that video. It's truly inspiring and uplifting, motivating, and everything is good, fantastic. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you think I deserve your subscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Comment down below and see you want me to react to any celebrities or not. So thank you very much. Bye bye.